Okay, so today we're going to read My Five Senses by Aliki. I can see. I see with my eyes. Point to your eyes. Good job. I can hear. I can hear with my ears. Point to your ears. I can smell. I smell with my nose. Show me your nose. Good job. I can taste. I taste with my tongue. Show me your tongue. Good job. What's he tasting?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Do you like ice cream? I like ice cream. I can touch. I touch with my fingers. Show me your fingers. Yay! What's he touching here?
A bunny.
A bunny. I do all this with my senses. I have 5 senses. When I see the sun, or a frog, or my baby sister, I use my sense of sight. I am seeing. What do you see with? Your eyes. Good job. When I hear a drum, or a fire engine, or a bird, I use my sense of hearing. I am hearing. When I smell soap, or a pine tree, or cookies just out of the oven, I use my sense of smell. I am smelling. When I drink my milk and eat my food, I use my sense of taste. I am tasting. So he's putting his food into his mouth, and what's he using to taste the food? Do you remember?
The fork?
His tongue. He's using his tongue to taste. When I touch a kitten or a balloon or water, I use my sense of touch. I am touching. Can you touch the balloon for me? Good job. Sometimes I use all my senses at once. Sometimes I only use one. I often play a game with myself. I guess how many senses I'm using at the same time. When I look at the moon and the stars, I use one sense. What sense do you think that is? When he looks at the moon and the stars.
He's seeing.
He's seeing. Good job. When I laugh and play with my puppy, I use 4 senses. I see, I hear, I smell, and I touch. Playing with his puppy. When I bounce a ball, I use 3 senses. I see, I hear, and what do you think the last sense is? Touch. Good job. Sometimes I use more of one sense and less of another, but each sense is very important to me because it makes me aware. To be aware is to see all there is to see, all there is to hear, all there is to smell, taste all there is to taste, and touch all there is to touch. Wherever I go, whatever I do, every minute of the day, my senses are working. They make me aware. Do your senses make you aware? Yes. Good. Okay, so we are going to do an activity on Kahoot. So with your electronic device, show me your electronic device. Show the video your electronic device. Okay. So with that device, you are going to type in our game pin. So you'll go ahead and type that in. And then we will get started on our quiz. All right, let's click start. I'm going to read the question, and when I'm done reading the question, you select your answer, okay? The quiz over our 5 senses. What body part do you use for the sense of hearing? Do you use your ears, nose, eyes, or hands? Good job. Next question. What do you see with? You see with your neck, nose, ears, or eyes? Eyes. Good job. Which is not one of the 5 senses we learned today? Is it sight, running, taste, or hearing? Which one is not a sense? Good job. Running is not a sense we learned today. The little girl said, I see bright colors. Which of these 5 senses is she using? Touch, hearing, smell, or sight? Good job. It is sight. She can see the bright colors with her eyes. Which of the 5 senses do you use when you pet a soft puppy? Are you using the touch, smell, taste, or sight sense? Good job. You are using touch. Very good. Yay. The end. You did a good job.